I don't want to make you. Good morning, everyone, once again. And I don't want to repeat the same thing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. As you all know that we have given the assessment of the maths. Now we will come back to our chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. In this chapter, if we take from the beginning, we have learned about the 3D shapes, their sides, their vertices, their edges. That also we have learned. So please revise it about all the 3D shapes, about how many edges they are having, vertices, sides. That also you need to learn. Then we have come back on the nets, how the nets of the cube, cuboid, cylinder. Lakshya, mute yourself, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have learned about the different nets of a cube, cuboid, cylinder. I am revising from the beginning, Vedi Salya. Cone. So these nets, all the nets we have done. Vivan Balchandani, you stay in the class. I want to talk to you. Then we have done about the nets of a pyramid, triangular pyramid, square pyramid. Come to the conclusion that we have learned about the different 3D shapes as well as their nets. Then we have seen about the floor maps, how the deep drawing looks like, which all the parts are not visible in the deep drawing. Then we have done about the deep drawing, means the 3D, how to draw a cube and the cuboid. Then we have done about the puzzle dice. Then in that dice we have learned about the rule of 7. Opposites of faces total should be 7 in the dice. Now come back to the page number 132. Matchbox play. I'm going to present my screen and I will show you here on the screen. Page number?
Ma'am.
32. Yes.
Ma'am, see this. I have a net of an hexagon.
Very good. Yes. Very good. So you have opened the hexagon box and you are, yes, this is the net of a hexagon box. So till here we have completed about the cube and the net of a cube and dice, right? Now we are going to do this page. Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya made this bridge using the matchboxes. Now you know that when there are 3D shapes, right? And 3D shapes, things look different, right? Am I clear to you all? This is clear. The 3D objects, if there are 3D objects, they look different from the different views. Wait a minute, I'll show you also.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, which page number?
132.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose this is a box in my hand, right? This is a 3D box, which is in which?
Rectangle. Ma'am,
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Box है तो 3D ही होगा.
Cuboid.
Box कभी भी 2D नहीं हो सकता, and rectangle is a 2D. Face, you can say the cuboid, all the faces are in rectangular shape. Clear? This property is clear. This is the cuboid shape. You all are clear. You all agree with this? Mute yourself, Ekansh. You all are agree with this, that this is, yes. Rudra is also showing us something. What are you showing, Rudra?
Ma'am, a box.
Okay. So this is a closed box. This is not an open box in my hand. And this is the 3D box because it is having length, breadth and the height also. That is why it is having height also. That is why it's a 3D box. And it is in the shape of a cuboid because all the faces are in the rectangular shape. That is why it is a cuboid. Are you all agree with this? But if I am showing you this box, and please note that the objects, the 3D objects, when we see them, If we see them from the different views, we can imagine we are drawing the different drawings, right? So if we are seeing the box, if I'm showing you this box, and if I tell you to draw it, so which part you will draw only? The front part which you are seeing it, this much only. And आप पूरा तो नहीं draw कर
Yes.
पाओगे because you are seeing it this much only, right? And if you are seeing it from here, this is which view?
Rectangle.
Which view? You have learned the
Side
different
view.
views in the
Side
grade.
view. Side view. Yes, side
And
view.
if you are standing at the top or in the terrace or somewhere, and you are looking the object from the top, and you will only see the this part of this. So you
Top
this
view.
is the
Top view.
So you have learned the different views in the grade 4 also. Front view, side view, and the top view. So whenever we see the 3D object, we cannot see the all the different views in a one time. You are all agree? Yes or no? All are agree?
Yes.
Whenever we see the 3D
Yes.
object, we will not see all the three all the different views together. सब एक साथ तो नहीं दिखेंगे. अगर आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो, you will only see the top view. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you are seeing from the
Yeah.
front, you will only see the front view.
Yes.
And if you are seeing from the side, you will see the side.
This side we can only.
So,
Yes.
same way here also in the textbook, they have made the. Wait, I'm going to present it. They have made a what they have made. Can you read and tell me?
And they had make a bridge using matchboxes.
Yes, they have made a bridge using the matchbox. Like this. And now Naveen and Pratigya made drawing of the bridges, and they are being told that okay, this bridge is being made with the matchboxes. Now matchboxes, you all know, is a 3D shape which is in the cuboid shape. So now they are making the drawing. So when we see this boy is here, Naveen, and he is making in this way. But can you tell me why he is making the drawing of a bridge in this way?
Ma'am, because we can see the bridge from the side.
Yes, ma'am.
He is seeing the bridge from the.
Side.
Side.
I don't see the side. It is the front.
Front. Yeah, ma'am. Front side.
It is a front view. It is not a side view. Yes, if you look from this side, then only you will able to draw these three standing lines, right?
Yeah, and ma'am, in this picture we can also make the side one side.
So this is the side view bridge. Now, the bridge looks like this to me from where I am standing. From this is the front view of the bridge, right?
Front view.
From your drawing, I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. So the bridge looks like to me. My drawing shows how our bridge is and how wide it is. So the girl, Pratigya, if she is drawing just the one at the top and the three in the standing, because this girl is watching the bridge from which side?
Front side.
View.
This is not the front view, bacha.
Side
view.
Side view. Yes. This is the
Side view.
side view. This is the side view, because when you see from the side, you will only see the one standing line. Others will not be visible to you. Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. आगे का ही हिस्सा जो 3 layers का, that only visible to you, and that's why she has made it like this, the red part. This is the side view. Now go to the next. If you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing. Which is the right drawing? A or the B?
Ma'am, it's B1.
It's B1.
B, ma'am.
B is the right drawing. So please click.
Yeah.
Now next is practice time. Make drawing to show how this bridge will look from the top, from the front, and from the side. this practically you also take some 8 to 9, 10 boxes, which are matched boxes, and try it practically at home. Assemble. Mute yourself, someone mic is on. Keep them in the form of the bridge and visualize them. If you are, suppose you are seeing it from the top. So what you will see from the top, how you will draw. Can you imagine this picture which is there in your right side? Can you draw and show it to me? Will it be possible for you students right now? Please draw it in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Or in your textbook, if you have a space, there also you can draw. Draw the 3 different views and show it to me first. You will see from the top, and how you will see from the front, and how you will see from the side. Let me take the attendance. Draw. Drawing. Everyone?
Ma'am, can I show you from top one?
Yes, yes. Show me Samriddhi, the top view. Very good. This is the top view. Yes. Any other child can show me the front and the side view?
Ma'am, I can show you.
Yes, Lakshya. Which view?
Ma'am, I can show you. Ma'am, there, I draw this. Ma'am, up and down view is this. And the side view is this. Side view or this.
Which is up and down view?
This one. This look like also same as like a down one also. And this
It's
is
not
side
clearly
one.
visible, but okay. Any other child wants to show me? Samriddhi
side
is showing me the side view. Very good. Other students, please, what are you doing? Kevna, Arna, Freya. I know you children are very good drawing. Megdad is not doing anything. Relax.
Ma'am, I'm drawing the side view.
Yes. Show me the side view.
Ma'am, I am using a paper and I'm drawing a top
Ma'am,
view.
let me finish first.
Megdad, sit properly. Megdad, can you turn on your mic and talk to me?
Ma'am, see the front view.
Show me the front view.
Ma'am, can I show you all the 3 views?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, top view.
Yes.
Ma'am.
This is the.
Ma'am, top
This
view.
is top view. I don't think this will be the top view. Arna, no, I'm pinning Arna. Sorry, Arna. This is not the. I will talk to you later, Arna. Yes, I'm pinning Anushka. Yes, Anushka. This is top view, right? This is front.
This is the front view
Very good.
and this is the side view.
Very good. Ayush, yes, I'm going to pin you. Ayush,
Ma'am, Ayush Singhani is showing the top view.
yes, top view. Very good.
Ma'am,
Any other child? So should I move to the next now?
Ma'am, Samriddhi can show you the front view.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm drawing. Ma'am, can I show you the side view?
Ma'am, can I show
Yeah, ma'am, see.
Top view.
Yes, Kevna is showing top view. Okay, Kevna. Yes. Next child. Should I move to the next question?
Ma'am,
Aksh
see.
Patel, I don't know what he is doing in the class. Vedi, I don't know what they are doing in the class. Ridan is still eating something or the other thing. But you are not participating in the class, Ridan, at all. Yes.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go. Yes, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, which view?
Front view.
Front view. Yes. Arna, which view?
Ma'am, side view.
Okay. Yes. Any other child? So otherwise, I'm moving. Kush, Ahuja, Kush, which view?
Ma'am, top view.
Top view.
Ma'am,
Yes,
see.
Anuja. Yes, Anush.
Two view, one side view and one top view.
Yes. Let me pin you. Very good. You have made the card. One side and one the top. Yes, Rudra Jajaria, good. Yes, yes. Let me pick. Yes, this is. I was discussing about the top view, front view, and the side view of the same object, which is given in your textbook. But you have tried with another object. It is good. Okay, Rudra.
No, ma'am, it's top view
No,
of the
I am
tree.
talking with Rudra Jajaria. Now come to the next question. Make a matchbox model
Ma'am, see.
which look like this. Yes. Okay, good.
Front view.
Now also make a deep drawing of the model in your notebook. This you have to take the matchboxes and do the activity. That from the top it will look like this, from the front and from the side. Now it's given about how the cubes look like. I present my screen. I will ask from you all. Just a minute, students.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number is the same number, no? 133 we are discussing.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, I'll show you, yeah?
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Dimensional shapes using the following: square, triangle, circle, rectangle, rhombus,
These all are the
oval,
2D shapes.
star, etc. are all 2D shapes, whereas cube, cuboid, prism, cylinder, cone, sphere are all 3D shapes. 2D shapes are plane figures spread over in a single plane and occupy only area. 3D shapes are solids spread over more than one plane and occupy space. Two-dimensional shapes.
Someone mic is on, please
The plane
mute your
shapes
mic.
have two measurements like length and breadth. They are called 2D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes. The objects which have the extensions in three directions, that is length, breadth, and height, are called three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional objects have thickness. Iron rod, sugar cubes, cone, these are all solids because they have volume, that is, they occupy space. The solids are also called three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects have different plane surfaces. Let us observe the plane surfaces of objects. While touching the surface of a book, we feel flat surface. Similarly, while touching the surface of a cylindrical tin, we feel different surface. Can you tell me what is that surface of the tin? Curved surface. Look, here there are some 3D shapes which have flat surface. Some of the 3D shapes which have curved surface. Some 3D shapes have flat surfaces. Some 3D shapes have curved surfaces. Let's look into some of the objects which are surmounted by another 3D object. A tent house, a cone surmounted on a cylinder, an ice cream, a cone surmounted by a hemisphere, tomb on a pillar, cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. You've seen
Ma'am,
some
in
of the
this, a
3D
telescope
objects of the
also can
solids.
come.
3D objects viewed differently in different views. Look at the school bus. The view from the front, the view from the
See, look
side,
at the different
and the view
views.
from the top. These are the different views of the bus.
Yes.
Observe the different views of the matchbox. Front view of the matchbox, side view of the matchbox, and the top view of the matchbox.
Ma'am, I have
Here
a
it
doubt.
is, a solid made of 3 cubes.
Ma'am,
Please ask.
if we take a square, like there is a phone near me. So this is the front part, right? But whenever you take a box, you say that this is the front part, this long one, and this is the side part. Because in the school bus thing, it was given that this is the front part, this is the side part, the back part, and the top part.
Yes.
So
Yes,
this has to be the
ma'am, and
front
also
part,
this.
side part, right?
What are you saying?
The short part has to be the front part, not the side part, right?
It is the way you keep it. The way you keep it. You are looking from the front means you are looking to the front view. For example, if it is a bus, right? The bus, how the bus you keep? The front part is the big part, no? That is the front. Bus का आगे का हिस्सा क्या होता है? You all know that. I will show you here again the picture of a bus.
Ma'am, and also this, because it is a flat surface, no?
Wait a minute, Lakshya.
See, ma'am,
You
the short
yourself-
part is the front view.
It is not always beta same. You need to see the object, how the object is, right? सीधा कैसे रखोगे उसको? So this is the, if we see the bus, the bus का this part is the front view. It is not always compulsory the short part is that view. You need to see the object, how you are keeping the object. आप object को सीधा कैसे रखोगे? Got it?
Okay, got it.
And this is the side view and this is the top view of the bus.
Observe the different views of the matchbox. Front view of the matchbox, side view of the matchbox, and the top view of the matchbox. Here it is, a solid made of 3 cubes. Can you guess the different views of this solid?
Can you tell me, students, how the different views of this image? If I tell you to draw the top view, so how you are going to draw the top view?
Ma'am, of this image top view.
Yes, this image top view.
Ma'am, I will make 2 blocks.
Yes.
2 cuboid blocks.
Cube, not cuboid. Only the square ही दिखेगा.
Yes. So we will
Only
see 2
the-
squares. We won't see the third one.
You will
Ma'am,
not
like
able to
this.
Ma'am, it would look like this.
show me. Yeah, I'm going to pin you.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, see top view.
Who is Priya is showing the top view of this. Yes, Priya is correct. Anushka, just check Priya is correct.
Okay.
दोनों साथ ही दिखेंगे. अगर आप ऊपर से देखोगे आपको ऊपर से वो डिस्टेंस नहीं दिखेगा. You will only
Look, it's like this, right?
yes, Arna is right. It will look like this only. And if you want to see the front view, how the front view will look like, please make the front view.
Ma'am, it will be 3 squares, 2 in the bottom, 1 in the top of one.
In which shape it will look?
Ma'am, it will be like this.
Ma'am, it will
Ma'am.
be the stairs.
Yes. Pin Anushka is showing. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Priya. Very good, Arna. Good.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Ridhan is showing. Very good. Excellent, Ridhan. Right. If you want to see the side view.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ekansh.
no justification.
Now draw the side view.
Ma'am, this would be the left side view.
Yes. Good.
Something like this.
So I'm going to play this.
Ma'am, it will look like this.
Side view of
Ma'am,
the
this
solid.
is front side view
Front
and
view of the
this
solid.
side view.
Top view of the solid.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Mute yourself, everyone.
Ma'am.
Yeah, mute. Laksha, mute.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in the cuboid, if we see the top verse, so it will look like the down. It's same like the downwards also.
Yes, bottom view also same like. But it is not necessary. If you see the flat surface of a, suppose this is a cuboid, its top view and
Every
the
shape is
bottom
not
view,
the same.
top view and the bottom view are same because they are broader. And if you see the side view is little compared to the broader view. This is broad.
But ma'am,
Yes.
you said, but in this picture it would be not like that. The down view will be like this. It would be like this. The down view would be like this
Yes,
in this
yes,
object.
yes, yes. Down would be like this. It depends on the picture, no?
Ma'am,
Let me now play this.
ma'am,
Here is one more solid object made of 4 cubes. Observe the different views of the solid object.
Rudra,
This is
please
the view
mute
from the
yourself
top.
for a minute.
This is the view from front. And its view from the side. Here is a house. Can you identify the side, front, top views of the house? What view is shown in the display? Can you guess what view is it? You can easily identify.
I request students to mute their mics, please.
This view. Now you're familiar with identifying the different views like the front, side, and the top views of 3D objects.
Now,
ma'am,
sorry.
ma'am, your mic.
Where is Ayush? Ayush is there?
Yes, ma'am, I
Ayush,
understood.
now your doubt is clear?
Yes, ma'am, the house part.
Ah, tent is also clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not that the small part or the bigger part. Right, just front है.
look square from the upside, top view.
From the top, it will look like this, only the line one. सिर्फ एक से
Ma'am?
line दिखेगी. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, see,
Ma'am, there will be back view also. Back view.
Yes, back view in the triangle shape only. So, Ayush, you are clear that shorter view will be the side view. It is not compulsory. How the way you keep the object, that way you need to imagine which is the
And the
side.
down width is a rectangle.
Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Now let us learn how to draw different views of 3D objects. Here we have a military tent. Let us draw the views of the tent. Observe the drawing of front view. Observe the drawing of the side view. Observe the drawing of the top view.
Yes, Desai. Got it? Which is the top
Yes,
view?
ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, it's like this. Like this.
Let us summarize what we have learned. Recognizing 2D and 3D shapes. 3D objects have different shapes from different views or positions. Identifying the different views like side view, front view, top view of 3D shapes. Drawing of 3D shapes in different views like side, top and front views.
Yes, Rudra. Are you all clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. See the top views of tent.
Very good. So now I'm going to present you here also one screen and show you the different views.
Okay, ma'am.
Sit with your camera on, everyone. Jahan Agarwal, Karnav, Daksh Patel, Dhyan. Please sit with your camera, everyone. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is Almira and you can see the different views. So if I ask, which view is this?
Ma'am, this is front view.
Which view is this?
Side view.
Side view.
And which view is this?
Top view.
Top view.
Top view.
Top
This
view.
is the matchbox. Which view is this?
Ma'am,
Top
side view.
view.
Side view.
Side view. Side view.
Which view is this?
Top front view.
Top
Sorry,
view.
front view.
Front view.
Front view.
This is side view, front view, and
Front
this
view
is
and
Top
view.
view.
Top view.
this is which view?
Front view. Front view.
Front. This is
Side.
and this is
Top view. Top.
this is
Top view.
no,
Side view.
front view.
Top
This is
view. Front view.
side view of a car, and this is
Top view.
Top view.
top
Top
view
view.
of a car. Clear, everyone, with the different views?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, see I
Bye, ma'am.
again 3D shape.
Bye, ma'am.